So 5, 4, 3.
The first and most important thing is discoverability. How I will actually find a document I'm looking for if I don't want to search it or if I don't want to ask a question. So it gives you clean structure of where the document should be. So at Slite, the way we work with channels is that we have one channel per one department. So everyone is responsible for maintaining their channel, for making sure that people have the right permissions in these channels, that they put the documents that they should be in that channel. I think a great example for my role at least is our go-to-market channel, where we bring people from the marketing team, from the product team, from the sales team in one place so we can collaborate on common initiatives and projects that we're running. So if you're just getting started, please don't panic, don't get stressed, it's not that difficult. My number one advice would be for them to just create a channel for every department that they have in the company and start building their content and start building their documents there. And I think the evolution of channels also becomes a little more natural when you know the product, and eventually they will also realize if there is a need to create a channel that is a little bit more specific to a project that they're running or something that is outside of the borders of a department per se.